In a truly empowering and jaw-dropping moment that stunned fans and silenced critics, Tammy Slaton, the breakout star of 1000 LB Sisters, made headlines when she was spotted confidently rocking a bathing suit while enjoying a sunny day out on the lake. The star, who has undergone a radical transformation both physically and emotionally over the last few years, looked vibrant, healthy, and most importantly, happy. For longtime followers of her journey, this was more than just a photo or a fleeting moment. It was a testament to the inner strength, perseverance, and complete rebirth of a woman once trapped by her own body and personal limitations. The photos and clips quickly went viral, showing Tammy boarding a pontoon boat with friends and family, laughing and smiling under the warm rays of summer sunlight. But what really caught everyone's attention was her bold bathing suit, a stylish, body-hugging one-piece that proudly showcased her progress and confidence. This is the same woman who once struggled to walk without assistance, spent months in the hospital fighting for her life, and battled emotional demons that played out in front of millions on national television. Tammy's appearance on the lake wasn't just a casual outing, it symbolized the liberation of a woman who had once been deemed beyond help. And now, there she was, boating, swimming, and soaking in the joy of a life she had once feared she'd never live. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters are well aware of the intense struggles Tammy has endured since the show first aired. Alongside her sister Amy, Tammy captured the hearts of viewers who rooted for the Slaton sisters as they navigated the challenges of extreme obesity, family trauma, toxic relationships, and the pressures of public scrutiny. While Amy experienced significant progress in earlier seasons, getting married, having children, and undergoing weight loss surgery, Tammy's road was rockier. There were periods where Tammy's health declined dangerously. Episodes depicted hospital visits, oxygen dependency, rehab stays, and terrifying moments when her life literally hung in the balance. Despite all odds, Tammy slowly began to fight back. Encouraged by a team of doctors, supporters, and finally her own determination, she committed to weight loss, therapy, and holistic recovery. Fast forward to the present, and viewers are witnessing the remarkable results. Fans who've been following her on TikTok and Instagram have noticed her steady transformation. She's walking unassisted, breathing freely without oxygen, smiling more often, and opening up in vulnerable, honest ways that reveal just how deep her emotional journey has been. But even with all that, no one expected Tammy to confidently don a bathing suit and take to the lake like she's been doing it all her life. The bathing suit moment is more than just fashion, it's Tammy reclaiming her autonomy, her womanhood, and her identity. She's not hiding anymore. For someone who once refused to leave her house or even let the camera show her body below the chest, it's an act of rebellion against her old self and a message to anyone who ever doubted her. Tammy Slaton is living. Social media erupted with reactions after the pictures surfaced. Fans flooded comment sections with support, admiration, and awe. Many shared their own struggles and how Tammy's journey inspired them to make changes. Others praised her bravery for embracing her body and her journey in such a public way. One fan wrote, "Tammy out here living her best life. She's a goddess on that boat." Another chimed in, "From a hospital bed to a lake boat in a swimsuit. I'm crying. Go Tammy." The response wasn't just emotional, it was empowering. Tammy is now being heralded as an unexpected body positivity icon, showing that recovery, transformation, and self-love can exist at every size and every stage. She's not pushing a narrative of perfection, but rather one of authenticity. And that, more than anything, resonates with fans worldwide. Tammy's Lake Day wasn't just a moment of fun. It marked a new chapter in her life, one that includes travel, adventure, joy, and exploration. According to sources close to the Slaton family, Tammy has been itching to explore the outdoors more ever since her health began improving. This lake trip may just be the beginning of many more excursions to come. Some insiders even hint that she's planning to go horseback riding and maybe even ziplining in the near future, adventures that would have been impossible just a year ago. Amy Slaton, Tammy's younger sister and co-star, also weighed in on the milestone. In an emotional Instagram story, she posted a picture of Tammy on the boat with a caption that read, "Y'all she did it loudly crying biceps so proud of my sissy." The bond between the sisters, though often fraught with tension on the show, seems to be stronger than ever now that Tammy's making such incredible progress. Tammy's transformation has also affected her love life. Recently, she's been linked to a new mystery man who reportedly joined her on the lake trip. While Tammy has kept the details private for now, fans believe she might be opening her heart again after a string of rocky past relationships, including a marriage that ended shortly after it began. The idea of Tammy finding not just health but happiness in love has fans even more invested in her future. Dr. Eric Smith, one of Tammy's trusted medical advisors from the show, also commented on her recent achievements. In a social media post, he praised her courage and stated, "This is what happens when someone doesn't give up." Tammy continues to show that with determination, support, and a lot of inner strength, true transformation is possible. Quote, "The movement has also sparked speculation about what's next for the 1000 LB Sisters franchise. With Tammy now more mobile, confident, and engaged with the world, producers are reportedly eyeing potential spin-offs or solo projects that could follow her journey post-weight loss. Some fans are even suggesting a travel or lifestyle vlog series, where Tammy shares her new experiences and adventures firsthand. Despite the celebration, Tammy remains grounded. In a brief comment on TikTok, she addressed the attention by saying, "I'm just living my life. It feels good to be able to do stuff I couldn't do before. Thanks for all the love. Y'all don't know how much it means to me." That humility, that honesty, is what has always made Tammy such a compelling figure on reality television. She doesn't sugarcoat her struggles. She's been angry, emotional, raw, and even self-destructive. But through it all, she's shown a will to survive, to heal, and now, to thrive. As summer continues, fans can likely expect more surprises from Tammy. Whether she's traveling, building new relationships, or simply enjoying time with family, it's clear she's in a much better place, mentally, physically, and emotionally. And if this boating trip is any indication, she's no longer waiting for life to come to her. She's going out there and taking it by storm. In a world saturated with curated images and filtered perfection, Tammy Slaton's journey stands out because it's real. Her bathing suit moment wasn't just about showing skin, it was about shedding fear. It was about embracing the body that carried her through hell and back. It was about declaring to the world, "This is me. And I'm not hiding anymore." So here's to Tammy Slaton, the woman who turned a lake day into a revolution of self-love, confidence, and courage. The world is watching, and cheering her on every step of the way. And if her past has taught us anything, it's this: never count Tammy Slaton out. She's rewriting her story, and she's doing it in style, one swimsuit, one boat ride, one triumphant step at a time. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.